These 7 ways will make a girl go crazy for you. After you learn the secrets, don't be surprised if they start chasing you. Okay, today I'm going to reveal the secret to making a girl fall madly in love with you. You probably agree that love is like a roller coaster. Sometimes it can make you incredibly happy, but at other times it can hurt like hell if you choose the wrong person to love. Love can even mess with your mental state, make you insecure, and feel stuck in the same place. But what if there was a way to turn things around? You no longer need to waste energy chasing love that isn't returned or feel like your self-confidence is drained because she's not responding. There are strategies that can make the girl you like chase you instead. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 powerful psychological strategies. If you follow them, you can make any girl fall head over heels in love with you. Okay, before we begin, imagine this, bro. How would it feel if you knew exactly what behaviors and actions make a girl crazy for you? How would it feel to know how to make a girl desperately want your attention, even more than anything else? I'm going to reveal these incredible strategies to you, and I guarantee, bro, if you use them, you'll change the way you view romance and attraction. Don't skip this part, because what you're going to learn could be the key to making any girl fall madly in love with you. Rule 1. Don't give your attention for free. Make sure she really has to work for your time and energy. This doesn't mean you need to be mean or cold, but you need to value yourself. By not always being available for her, you automatically become more valuable in her eyes. Try this, bro. Don't respond to her texts or messages right away. Give her space. Let her realize that your attention is something special and not easily obtained. When you start pulling back a little and not always being available, you'll become more attractive and hold more value in her eyes. This is not about playing games or using manipulative tactics. It's about being productive and focusing on important things in your life. Let me give you an example, bro. Look at successful lawyers who are busy with many cases or big businessmen whose time is super precious. You probably think they don't have time for trivial things, right? Yes, their time is valuable and people know that. Well, you also have the same 24 hours in a day, and you can use your time for more productive things. When you're busy with personal projects, you'll realize you don't want to waste time on things that aren't important, including chasing a girl for attention. She has to truly deserve your time. If she doesn't give back, then just move on, because you have more important things to focus on. When you know your own worth, you'll be respected more. Rule 2. Give her space. Let her also make the effort to keep the relationship going. Don't let you be the only one always planning, organizing, or making sure the relationship stays alive. She should also show that she's willing to put effort into the relationship. You don't have to always initiate to meet or make plans. Relationships are a two-way street, bro. Both you and she have to contribute equally. This is very important to keep the relationship healthy. If you're always the one doing the heavy lifting, eventually she'll start to feel like it's only your responsibility to make the relationship work, and she'll get too comfortable. So, give her a chance to chase you and show that she genuinely wants to be with you. Rule 3. Don't depend on her. Don't give the impression that you need her to be happy. A girl will be more attracted to you if you can do everything by yourself, have your own life, and aren't dependent on her. You don't need to show that your world revolves around her. You have to be the guy who's independent and has a fulfilling life without needing her in it. This will make you look cooler and earn her respect. So show her that you can live without her, but you still choose to be in the relationship. This shows that you're strong and don't rely on anyone else for your happiness. Rule 4. Don't depend emotionally. You can't rely too much on someone else to feel emotionally stable. You have to be your own source of strength. When you depend on others for your happiness, it makes you vulnerable. A girl will sense if you're too weak, but if you're emotionally strong, she'll see you as a man who's tough and reliable. This doesn't mean you have to be cold or indifferent, but it's crucial that you can manage your emotions and not depend on others for them. This will make you stronger, and girls will find you even more attractive. Rule 4. Don't depend emotionally. You can't rely too much on someone else to feel emotionally stable. You have to be your own source of strength. When you depend on others for your happiness, it makes you vulnerable. A girl will sense if you're too weak, but if you're emotionally strong, she'll see you as a man who's tough and reliable. This doesn't mean you have to be cold or indifferent, but it's crucial that you can manage your emotions and not depend on others for them. This will make you stronger, and girls will find you even more attractive. Rule 5. Be ready to leave. If she starts giving the impression that you're not important or begins to undermine you, you have to be willing to leave. This might be the hardest rule, but it's crucial for maintaining your self-worth. You need to have your own standards for how you want to be treated. If she can't meet those standards and makes you feel unimportant, it's time to move on. This isn't about being mean, it's about valuing yourself. Never settle for being someone's second option or backup. If you show that you won't let anyone treat you poorly, it sends a strong message that you know your worth. Rule 6. Stop seeking validation. You don't need others' approval to feel valuable. Your self-worth comes from you, not from what others say about you. Many guys are too busy seeking recognition from girls or others, but that makes you look insecure. You need to be confident in your decisions, choices, and life. When you stop seeking validation from others, girls will see you as a confident guy. Girls like guys who have conviction and don't just go along with what others think. This makes you the kind of guy who can be relied upon and respected. Once you're confident in yourself, girls will see you as different from the rest. Rule 7. Don't tell her how much you like her. Let her be curious and miss your attention. Don't give everything away at once. If you tell her everything about how you feel, she'll think you're easy to get and there's no challenge. Girls like challenges. They like to work to win over a guy they find special. If you give everything away at once, she might feel like she already owns you, and that'll make her feel like you're no different from other guys. But if you hold back a little and let her work to earn your attention, she'll be more interested in you. Okay, by applying these 7 rules, not only will you make the girl more curious about you, but you'll also raise your own self-worth. You'll become a man who's respected and valued, and she'll see you as someone special. Thank you. I hope this helps.